an cos nx. An cos nx. Okay. Now, see, now we have few problems to do. Better you can do now itself. You can do that within 5 minutes. That all of you in chat box you can do 11:05 to 11:10. Give your attendance and start the problem. This all of you note down. Expand f of x equal to pi minus x whole square in minus pi comma pi. Just you can note down all of your notes. Expand f of x equal to what? Pi minus x whole square in minus pi comma pi. So whatever may be, when you start Fourier series, what you will do? An cos nx plus bn sin x. This is a naught by 2. N is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. You can write. First you can write this line. You can write. This is very important. Here f of x is equal to what? Pi minus x whole square. Then a naught, how can you write? A naught, how can you write? Tell me. A naught. Anyone of you? A naught, how you write? Are you audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
A naught, how you write? F of x equal to pi minus x whole square given function. They are asking to expand the Fourier series. By starting the problem, you can write a naught by 2 an cos nx plus bn sin nx. N is equal to running from 1 to infinity. If so, you know f of x. Now a naught formula is what? What I told? Upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2. So what you will get here? 2 pi by 2. This make it reciprocal. 1 by pi you will get. That is very, very important. This term you can write is 1 by pi. 1 by pi. My limit is running from what? Minus pi to pi f of x dx. Where f of x is equal to what? Pi minus x whole square dx. If you integrate, what you will get? This you can take as a linear concept. If you take linear concept, integration is what? Pi minus x whole cube by 3. 1 minus also you will get. Because this minus x you can divide it. So limit, upper limit, if you apply this, what you will get? Pi minus pi is equal to 0, vanish. While applying the lower limit, you need 1 pi. 1 minus. Already in 1 minus is there. So minus minus is what? Plus. So this become what? 2 pi whole cube. Pi plus pi become pi. So 2 pi whole cube. Then this is what? 2 cube pi cube. 2 cube by pi cube means what? 8 pi cube by 3. This is already 1 by pi is there. So it's become what? Pi will cancel. 8 pi square by 3. Getting on it. This is equal to what? A naught. We can keep one side. Getting on it, all of you, okay? Say yes or no. Hello? Sir, all of you okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Give me answer actually. Don't sit like a dead bodies. Something you can, if I ask.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, happy. Then this is okay. You can also start with me. This A naught, okay, everyone. Then an, how can I write? 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x cos nx. Now who is my f of x? Pi minus x whole square. So my an is equal to what? 1 by pi integral running from, right? If you want, you can write minus pi to pi minus x whole square cos nx dx. This how you will do Bernoulli's formula. Now who is u here? Who is u? Pi minus x whole square cos nx dx. I want to use Bernoulli's formula. Now who is u? I want to write u into v. One fellow differentiation, one fellow integration. Now who is u? Everyone check your videos or not? That video. All of you watch the videos or not?
Yes,
The same
sir.
problem we complete or not there? Then if you do by parts means what? You can use pi minus x whole square, you can keep there. Then this is pi minus x whole square cos x. Pi minus x whole square you can keep there. Cos nx integration is what? Sin nx by n. Then minus what you not integrated that you can differentiate. Pi minus x whole square differentiation is what? 2 into pi minus x, because this is function of function. This minus x become minus 1. So 2 into pi minus x minus 1. Then this integral part again you can integrate. Sin nx by n is what? Minus cos nx by n square. This minus is there. Again I will take actually scanning problem, I think so. Plus what you differentiated you can differentiate. If you differentiated, what you will get? This symbol you don't take. 2 into pi minus x minus 1 also you can take. This is already 1 minus 1. Here minus 1. So you get plus 2 you will get. Plus already formula this 2. This cos nx integration is what? Sin nx. So already here minus sign is there. You can bring here minus sin x by n2. Limit running from where to where? Minus pi to pi. Now apply limit. Which term will vanish? Can you say sin n pi is equal to what? Sin n pi.
0.
This fellow becomes 0 or not? If you apply upper limit is what? Sin n pi waste. If you apply lower limit also waste, just you can strike like this. This term you can strike it with the pencil. You can write is equal to 0. Then come to this fellow is what? Here is sin n pi is what?
0.
Sin of minus n pi also 0. So this fellow waste. This fellow waste. Who will stand actually? This alone will stand. How many minuses are there? First minus, second minus, third minus. Totally how many minus will come? 1 minus. So 2 into pi minus x cos nx by n square. If you apply upper limit, what will happen? Pi minus pi is what? Pi minus pi is what? So
0.
upper limit also waste. While applying the lower limit, 1 minus will come or not? So already here 1 minus is there. That minus minus plus. Then this become what? Pi plus. Correct or not? Pi plus pi 2 pi. This is what? Cos n pi. Cos of minus theta is what?
Cos theta.
Yes, yes. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. Cos n pi minus 1 power n.
Yes.
Cos even pi is plus 1. Cos odd pi is minus 1. So if you, this is waste, this is waste, this is upper limit waste, only lower limit will stand. If you apply what you will get already minus, here plus this cos of minus n pi is minus 1 power n. So what you will get actually 2 into this become 2 pi. This is what? Minus 1 power n by n square. So what is the answer? Do with me also, you don't wait for me to know. So my final answer is what? This is 2 pi into 2, 4 pi cos n pi. This minus minus and 1 stroke I told. So 4 pi cos n pi n square. N pi is equal to what? Minus 1 power n. Correct or not? So my an is equal to what? 4 by n square minus 1 power n. In somewhere you can get a naught. Something what you got? A naught is what? Nobody note down. It's listening like a cinema. 8 pi square by 3. Yeah? Correct or not? What is a naught?
8 pi square by 3.
That you can keep at least that point, note down the question. A naught you can write on the notes. An you can write the notes. While again this problem you can do yourself. Just that at least answers you can note down like a 1 by 1, 1 by 1. Getting or not? Now, you see. Now Bn formula is what? Bn formula is what?
1 by pi integration minus pi to pi.
F of x sin nx. That first you can make always f of x sin x. Now who is by f of x here? Pi minus x whole square. Correct? Sin nx. Now do integration start 1 by pi. Open the bracket. Pi minus x whole square. Sin nx integration is what? Tell. Sin nx integration is what?
Minus cos
by n. Then formula minus 1. 2 into pi minus x. This minus x is minus 1. Inside you can write this minus, you can write minus cos become what? Minus sin nx by n square plus 2 into minus 1 into minus 1. This minus become what? Minus of minus plus cos nx by n cube over. Getting or not? Check. Do. That's why we can tell like a, see, in one stroke we can tell without seeing pi minus x whole square, this fellow minus, this is differentiation 2 into pi minus x minus 1. This with the symbol you can take, don't simplify actually, this minus sign next way. This and this also don't simplify. Both simplify means what? Whole thing collapse. Plus this minus become what? Minus or minus cos. Appear clear? Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only 2 students only alive, I think so. Now see, before don't see this line. Tell me, this fellow is what? Pi minus pi is what? Waste. Okay. This which term will vanish? Can you tell? Second term is
Sine
what? Sin and pi
equal to
waste.
0.
Second term, this fellow also waste. This totally with the pencil you can strike like this is equal to 0. You can write. You can see the board how I am doing. You will understand. Okay. Now this will stand. I think so. Pi minus pi waste. Okay. Yeah. Lower limit will stand. Don't apply this. Mentally you can calculate. But if you come here is what? Cos and pi is what? Cos and pi is what? Minus 1 power. Minus of cos minus theta is cos. That is also minus 1 power n, minus 1 power n, minus 1 power n. That fell also waste. Correct or not? Now totally which term will stands for me? In this lower limit only stands. So that's why you can think properly. Don't blindly see applying every limit. Don't apply like headache actually. Then what I'm telling, correct or not? Now after that what I will get is this term only, lower limit term only stands. This is waste, totally vanish. So, when you will do, you will understand my Pn is equal to this. Now we can write A0 is equal to A0 square by 2. There is A0 by 2. Suppose they will ask actually sometimes in 1 mark question, find the Fourier constant coefficient. Just you don't find A0. A0 by 2 will do the Fourier constant. Maybe 1 mark questions if you get, that you will get. Then An is this fellow, Bn is this fellow. Go back and substitute. Now with this you can give conclusion. Correct or not? This is very good problem. This is easy. This I will come back. Don't worry. That hence deduce part I will do. Now without hence deduce one problem I will explain. Then I will come back. This is very very important. Now I am not doing another problem I explain. Yes, this is solid question actually. Exercise next. Very. Are you audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
At least all of you say yes, sir. I want to break my ear actually. At least 160 members have to answer. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, only 4 voices coming.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
my desktop should break actually.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Only
sir.
5 voices, 6
Yes,
voices,
sir.
7th voice. Again, repeat it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Enough. Okay. But
Yes,
any
sir.
challenge?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Latecomer, stop. See, now f of x is sin x is very, very good problem. Solid question. This is how you will write actually. A0 by 2, an cos nx, bn sin x. Always this story you can write when starting the problem. Now, who is my f of x sin x? A0 formula is what? Same story. Upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2, make it reciprocal. So, this fellow always you can decide actually 1 by pi r, 2 by pi r. I will explain, don't worry while doing the problem. Now, 0 to 2 pi f of x takes A0. Now, x sin x. How you will do x sin x? Any one of you give? Or all of you tell us, no problem. X sin x, how we will integrate?
Using by parts.
By parts are now only one word you listen actually. By parts you can forget it. One formula given, what is that? One name given, what is the name?
Bernoulli's formula.
Bernoulli's formula. Bernoulli's formula means one fellow you can treat as a X, one fellow you can treat as a B. Now, who is U here? Who is U?
X.
X is U.
What? After some time it will vanish. That fellow you can take as a U. So X if I take means what? After first differentiation, second definition, that fellow become vanish. You can throw him. So this case I will take this fellow as a U, this fellow as a B. Now integration start. X you can keep as is. Sin X integration is what? Sin X integration
Minus cos X.
minus cos X minus of X if you differentiate 1 again minus sin X. Correct or not? Apply the limits 0 to 2 pi. What is it? Correct or not? So this fellow waste or not? Sin 2 pi 0, sin 0 waste this fellow. Only who will stand? This fellow alone stand, but this fellow stands for upper limit alone. If you apply upper limit is what? 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is what? Cos even pi is what?
1.
Cos odd pi?
Minus 1.
Cos n pi?
Minus 1 pi n.
Very good. Keep in mind, this cos 2 pi, this fellow become plus 1. Already minus is there. 2 pi, 1 by pi into minus 2 pi. Pi into, yes? Yes. So, A naught is equal to what? Minus 2. Then, again, big story will start here. A naught, this is what? F of x cos means. Who is my f of x? X sin x into cos x. This is how you will write actually. 2 sin A cos B formula is what? 2 sin A cos B formula is what? Forget. 2 sin A cos B formula.
Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B.
Now, who is my A here? 1x. Who is my B?
NX.
Right formula, tell fastly. But who is there with me? Who is there? No. So, that's why you can write. You can write here 2, you can introduce sin of A plus B, x plus nx, n plus 1 into x. A minus B. A minus B is what? 1 minus x. But however, you see, this is the life of the problem, this problem. If you don't write n minus 1 is what? Somewhat I take. Why can you tell anyone? This writing causes and be no need. Sin A cos B, one formula I can use. If you can use sin n minus 1, you can tell me anyone. Because my n is running from where to where, tell? 1 to infinity. If you give write 1 minus n means what? Always 1 minus will come at a. So better you can write n minus 1. Cos means if nothing will happen. N minus n or 1 minus n, I don't care too much. But sin case can carefully can attack the problem. That's why you can write if you use 2 sin A cos B formula. Because textbook they are given cos A sin B. What I told you, don't remember 2 formulas, you can remember sin A cos B. So sin A cos B is what? 2 sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B, 1 minus n you will get. This 1 minus n I can write n minus 1 because of n minus 1 minus 1 I take it. Correct or not? Now integrate fast. This fellow is 1 by, okay, is 1 fellow is taken fully. Now integration means what will get? X you can keep as is. Sin of n plus 1 is what? Minus of cos n plus 1. N plus 1. This already minus is there. Minus minus plus cos of n minus 1 by n minus 1. Then formula minus. This fellow you can differentiate 1. This again, if you integrate this what? Minus of sin n plus 1 by another n plus 1 become n plus 1 whole square. Then cos is what? Sin n plus 1 by n minus 1 by n minus 1. Then n minus 1 whole square 2 pi. Correct or not? Any problem?
No,
Am I going
sir.
fast? Okay. Now at least you can limits you can apply and tell which limit will stand, which limit will vanish. Don't sit down actually. Try yourself. It is wrong also, no problem. This fellow you see, sin 0 is what? Sin 0 is what?
Zero,
Sin 2
zero.
pi into whatever may be 0 or not. N minus or n plus 0 or not. So these two fellows are vanish or not. This whole term become vanish. But this case carefully can apply. If you apply what you get, upper limit apply this 2 pi. Lower limit also vanish here. X if you apply means what lower limit vanish. Upper. X into anything is equal to waste. This I don't want to see. Lower limit also this term waste. This term fully upper limit. My cursor is showing or not for you moving here? Plus symbol. Are you able to watch?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
this whole fellow is 0. Correct or not? Now here is what is it? This fellow, if I apply lower limit means what? 0 into anything also waste. Suppose that's why your friend is 0 means what? You also become 0. 0 into 10 lakhs is equal to how much?
Zero.
So very carefully can choose the friends also. So 0 and 10 is equal to waste. So lower limit waste. Only upper limit only stands. Upper limit if I apply 2 pi cos 2n plus into 2 pi a. 2 pi is what? 2 into anything is equal to what? You will get even term or odd term.
Even.
So whatever may be my n plus 1, n minus 1, I don't care. So this fellow become what actually cos 2n plus pi is what? 1. This also is what? 1. Okay, not? Any problem?
No, sir.
Now only story will start. This fellow is minus 1 by n plus 1. This is 1 by n minus 1. Take LCM. 2 by n square minus 1. Okay, this is actually my way of telling me what the essence will come. Now if you see, don't see. But here 2 by n square 1 up to my n is running from where to where? In Fourier series, my n is running from where to where?
1 to infinity.
Suppose, because I have to do 1 also. If I give 1, what will happen? 2 by n square minus 1.
Infinity.
So very dangerous position. I have to do from 1 to infinity, but here I am not able to do this value valid from what? From 2 to infinity only. N is equal to 1 means you cannot take this value. Immediately you can ask what I will do when n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1, what I will do? Then I will find out this fellow is equal to a n. You know, what is my a n formula? What is my a n?
Integration of fx, cos x,
Wait,
dx.
no, who is that? Shruti, who is telling answer?
Shruti.
Shruti. I told you by starting what you want to write actually. 1 by pi or 2 pi by, don't forget I told you, no?
Yes, 0 to 2 pi.
1 by pi is very important. If you leave means that the whole thing collapse. 1 by pi, 0 to 2 pi, f of x cos
nx dx.
Here who is n? Who is n here? A1 I want to find out actually. Okay. Because n is equal to 1 means I have to find out. My Fourier series valid from 2 to infinity. But the Fourier series I want to tell A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 up to A infinity. If I add all infinite terms, maybe I will get 1 by 2 or 2 by 2. That is different story. The next problem I will do. Here, my Fourier series valid from 2 to infinity. But who is A1? Who is A1 means what? F of x cos 1x. F of x cos 1x. This is it. This term will speak a lot actually. Correct or not? This cos x. Now, what I will do? This 2 sin A cos B sin 2 theta or not? Divided by 2 multiplied by 2 is this sin x. Again, old story. By parts. Attack. What you will do? X into minus cos 2x by 2 minus formula minus this x differentiation is 1. This minus you can bring here sin 2x by 2. Again, same story. This fellow fully waste. Sin 2 pi 0, sin 0, 0, waste. Here lower limit waste. Upper limit only stands. If you apply upper limit means what? 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is 1. Correct or not? So it's minus 1 by 2, 2. This is 1. 2, 2 cancel. Pi, pi cancel. Totally it stands minus 1 by 2. This 2 pi will cancel. Minus 1 by 2. Any problem?
No, sir.
Now you can tell what is my an. You can write 2 by n square minus n not equal to 1. Down you can write n is equal to 1, a1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. This term you can write. Getting or not? Okay, yeah. Now come on, attack bn, same story. Sin nx. 2 sin a sin b is what? Sin a sin b is what? Cos of a minus b minus of cos of a plus b. Here 1 minus n minus n, it doesn't matter for me. 1 minus n, it's cos minus theta, cos theta only. So I will write daily, I will write cos n minus 1. Nothing, nobody can ask me. So attack x into this integration sin n minus sin n minus n. This integration, if you, this you can differentiate it, this you can get. This if you integrate it is what? Minus of this fellow, minus of this fellow. Now only story will start. Upper limit to this whole term will vanish or not? Sin 2 pi is what?
0.
Sin 0?
0.
Otherwise, if you put here also 0, the whole term will vanish. In next place, if you put 0 also, what will happen? Collapse. Correct? So that fellow totally waste. I want to come and see this fellow. Correct or not? Now here what I want to do? Apply slowly limit. I think here also vanish. This minus 1 you can keep here. Cos 2 pi how much?
1.
Cos 0?
1.
But upper limit minus lower limit you will write or not?
Yes, sir.
Now this term become what actually? Cos 2 pi. This is minus 1 by n minus 1 whole square. Lower limit if apply 0 means what? Minus minus plus. Then this is also 1 by n minus 1 whole square. First what I am getting? Minus 1 by n minus 1 whole square plus 1 by n minus 1 whole square. What will happen?
0.
Very good. This term vanished. This term is what? So this is what actually 2 pi is what? Cos 2 pi is what? 1. 1 by n plus 1 whole square. Lower limit if you apply is what? Minus 1 by n plus 1 whole square. Here also how it will appear. See, you can sing as a song actually. You don't want to know textbook, no notes. Close your eyes, you can tell like this. 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 1 step. So this what we get? 1 by n plus 1 square minus 1 by n plus 1 square. Cancel, cancel. So my bn is equal to what now?
0.
So totally vanish. Can you stop is 0 like this? Can you something you want to tell me? Bn 0 when it's, tell me, because denominator who is there? N minus 1 is there. So when it's 0, tell me. Bn when it's 0, n value, see denominator n minus 1 is very dangerous case. Previously something I discussed, you know, when it's valid. All are sleeping. When it's valid, if you do n is equal to 1, suppose here what will become 1 minus 1 is what? Anything by 0 is equal to what?
Infinity.
Infinity plus something is what?
Infinity.
Infinity minus something is what?
Infinity.
So this whole term becomes infinity when?
At n is equal to 1.
Very good, very good, very good. So you should not tell this is equal to 0 when n is equal to 1. What you will say, this fellow is equal to 0 when n not equal to 1. So bn is equal to, there you tell bn is equal to 0 when tell.
N not equals to 1.
Very good, very n not equal to 1. Now immediately you can ask me what I will do if n is equal to 1. Ask me. Ask yaar. No, don't want to ask. Huh? Now you will find out B1. See, lot of story explained. Everything become vanish. Finally, I will reach B1. What is Bn? My formula? F of x sin nx. B1 is what? F of x sin x. But you will get sin x into sin x is what?
Sin square x.
But in integration anywhere, if you get sin square cos square x means how you let off and will perform cos square is what? Sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. Cos theta formula is what? Sin square x means you can write 1 minus cos 2 x by 2. Cos square x means 1 plus cos 2 x by 2. That way is always you can remember. Sin cube x means what you can bring from sin 3x. Cos cube x means what you bring from cos 3x. So this fellow I will write 1 minus cos 2x. Correct? Now again attack old story. X into this 1 minus this integration, apply the limits. This you can check yourself. So finally what I am getting, B1 is equal to pi. Now Fourier series, how can I write? A0 by 2, n is equal to 1 to infinity. I don't want to write. This is valid 2 to infinity only. 2 to infinity is what I got? 1 by n square minus 1, 2 by n square minus 1. What is a? A value. A value is what? A. You don't have to copy also.
2 by n square minus 1.
Here itself value is there, you see. Down itself, this is nicely we need know how to criminal things also. Students will nicely can tell, no need to go back and see. AN provided A1. Now we can write, this is what A0 by 2, right? A1 value you can write, B1 value, right? AN, this whole fellow become vanish. So that's why I can write Fourier series carefully. Correct or not? N is equal to 2 to infinity. X sin x. This is expanding. It's stop here actually. So on up to 1 into. Correct or not? Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Then I go next problem. So okay, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you people tell pi minus x whole square already I done or not? Question from which interval I done first problem, very first problem.
Minus pi to pi.
Minus pi to pi.
But this fellow interval is what you see. Period 2 pi means what? 0 to 2 pi can take. Correct or not? Huh? It's coming. 0 to 2 pi. But the way of integration is same thing. While applying the limits, maybe values will change. Correct or not? Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
So, start f of x equal to pi minus x whole square. A0 how you will write? Upper limit minus lower limit 2 pi minus 0 by 2 pi, make it reciprocal. Sorry, 2 pi by 2 is pi, make it reciprocal 1 by pi. Then A0 is equal to how can you write? 1 by pi. My limits running from where to where? My limit is running from where to where?
0 to 2 pi.
0 to 2 pi f of x dx. So f of x is pi minus x whole square dx, pi minus x whole cube by 3 divided by minus 1 because of this is linear concept. Apply upper limit and lower limit. Here upper limit also valid, lower limit also valid. Just try this here not. Try all of you note down this question important. This part I will tell you, this is important. This is everything old story only. This only speaks a lot actually. Come on. Tell me answer. I will stop here. Do 1 minute. Completed? Hello? Complete or not? Sir, please, sir, speak out. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this upper limit minus lower limit, what you will get? Pi minus x.
2 pi of pi
Pi
square by 3.
minus 2 pi is what actually? Minus, because this minus minus plus, lower limit 1 minus, that is also plus, pi cube by 3, pi cube by 3. Don't do seeing blindly, don't try. Try to do yourself, my humble request. Because here 1 minus you will get, this minus minus will compensate. Lower limit 1 minus, that minus will compensate. Correct or not? So, carefully you can do. Any doubt? So,
No, sir.
No, sir.
2 pi cube by 3, a not over. Then similarly do a, I will go fastly, this is already explained, you know. But while doing the apply limits is what this fellow waste sine 2 pi waste sine 0 waste, this fellow waste, this fellow is what both limits valid here. Upper limit is what pi minus 2 pi minus minus plus 3 minus 4 minus plus means 2 pi cos 2 n pi. Lower limit is what? In lower limit 1 minus you will get here. How many minuses are there? 1, 2, 3. That minus. Totally how many minuses? Here already 3 minuses.
Four.
In lower limit 1 minus will come or not? 3 plus 1 is what? 4. 4 minuses means total output is what? Minus into minus into minus into 4 times means what? Plus. So that's where this is plus. Think logically, don't do blindly. It's very dangerous. It's a math, not a history. Now you can apply cos even pi is plus 1, 2 pi. Then write 2n pi, what on be this 1, 4 by a n square. Similarly, go for bn. I think bn 0. I think so. Bn also same story. Pi minus x whole square integration minus what you integrated, same thing you can integrate it with the symbol. This symbol and this symbol don't simplify. This you can differentiate it. Plus, again, this you can integrate. Sin minus 10. Then this is what? This become vanish, I think so. Cos 2 pi is 1, cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is waste. This is waste. Only this term only stands. So after this also, this is what? Cos 2 pi, cos 0, 0, 0. Plus and minus will get totally 0. Correct? Bn is equal to 0. Now a, what I got? A not I got, A and I got Bn. Now come back and write. This is my 4a series. Right. If they ask, hence deduce means what? Carefully you can do. Here my interval is what? Single interval or breaking interval? My interval is single interval or breaking interval? Answer me, yaar. Making me cry actually. Very bad students. 0, 2 pi single interval or breaking interval. Breaking interval means what? Minus pi to 0, 0 to pi, 0 to pi, pi to 2 pi. Like two functions they will do. Here single interval or double interval.
Single interval.
So single interval means what? If they ask hence deduce means what? You can take. Who is my question here? Who is my question? Pi minus x whole square. Okay. Now I will write there. I said, you know, suppose if the point of discontinuity is what? Hence deduce means that you can test. Now you will write here f of 0 plus f of 2 pi by 2. Single interval means what? Is 16 points you can take. F of 0 plus f of 2 pi. Because both interval 0, 2 means at 0 also discontinuity, 2 pi also discontinuity. 0 plus 2 pi by 2 is equal to, in answer any one point you can substitute it, either 0 or 2 pi. Either 0 or 2 pi. Single interval means this is the way of doing. In my last video, 7th video, if you see, you will understand how to do for single interval and how to do breaking interval. There I will explain a lot of problems and given. Check again once, and go and check. Or the same story. In this question, what I will do? This is f of x equal to what? F of 0, what will get? This f of x I will get. This is also f of x. This is also f of x. If for left side f of 0 plus f of 2 pi, I will take question. Right side, you can put either f of 0 or f of 2 pi. Then that I will take as an answer. This fellow I will substitute. Now f of 0 is what from this tail? Pi minus 0 whole square is what? Pi minus 0 whole square is what? F of 0.
Pi square.
Pi minus 2 pi whole square. I want to substitute f of 0 plus f of 2 pi by 2 is equal to f of 0. If they ask hence deduce means. 2 pi minus 2 pi whole square is what?
Pi square.
Pi square. Pi square plus pi square is how much?
2 pi square.
By 2.
Pi square.
LHS is pi square, keep one side. Come to the RHS. In RHS, you can substitute either f of 0 or f of 2 pi. One value you can substitute. If you substitute f of 0 means what you will get? Cos 0 is what?
1.
1 you will get. So this fellow is equal to what? Pi square by 3, 4 into 1 by 1 square, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 4 square up to infinity. Somewhat shape I am getting this. Very, very, very important question. See, f of 0 plus f of 2 pi by is equal to f of 0. Let's see my what video clearly I will explain is equal to f of 0. This part, this LHS part I will substitute it in question. RHS part I will substitute it in answer. Then finally I know this LHS is equal to RHS. Both are equal. Come on. From this already, go back. This is what f of 0 plus f of 2 by pi square. Here I am substituting f of 0. So if we simplify means what you get? Pi square by 6. Very, very, very important. Can you able to do these problems? Okay. Just e power x you can do. E power x is not a big issue. You can do e power x cos bx, e power x sin. Just you can see this. I don't want to explain. Just do yourself. The important sums only I will do. Yeah. This problem also very, very important. This if you want you can try. Otherwise, this is what also single interval or not. Hence Davis part means how you will do f of minus pi plus f of pi is equal to either you can put pi or minus pi. On seeing the answer you can decide sometimes. You are able to do this is also very, very good problem. F of minus pi, f of pi. Either you can take pi and pi last. See, f of pi, f of minus pi. Then this is what in this answer what you will substitute pi. Okay. This is also very good problem. Okay. You getting or not? Any doubts? Hello?
No, sir.
Yes. Now I explain this problem.
No, sir.
Wait. I will explain. Yes. Where is x plus x square? Somewhere I have seen now. Yes. So this is very, very good problem, very big problem. In Anna University compulsory they will ask. Nowadays they are not asking, but our university will get maybe easy problem. Don't worry. Now start to attack. Now minus pi to pi. Then a naught form is what till come on one. Then how can you start problem till f of x to down you write till fast. All of you tell. F of x to down you start problem. How you will start problem even they are asking for this how you start all of you loudly tell. How you will start problem?
By finding a naught, a n, and b.
Finding no. First step how you will write. F of x equal to what you will write?
A naught by 2 plus summation a n cos n x.
A cos plus sigma running from n is equal to 1 to infinity p n sin x. All problems you should start if they ask for is in first line you have to write this. Then write all of you tell what you write f of x. Come on, shoutly tell all of you. Again, all of you. Then 1 minute, see 14. I think now is 49. Then 49 to 52. 3 minutes. Who will put in at least for them all and you put in chat box in at least all of you. Then tell answer also. F of x how you write 49 to 52. Who is in LA for them all I will get at least. I will take like this. We'll put 5 minutes. I will ask. Come on, tell. Tell me f of x how you write.
X plus x square.
No. F of x is x plus x square. Very good. What are you thinking? In Fourier series f of x, any function, how can you express? That's what I'm asking.
A naught by 2 plus summation.
A
Okay,
naught by
all of
2
you
plus.
tell me, yeah. F of x.
A naught
Ah.
by 2 plus
A naught
summation
plus
n equal
summation
to
n
1 to
equal to 1 to
infinity
infinity
a n cos
n
nx plus
Ah. Ah. I want to break my ears actually. Nobody is doing. Very bad. Only 2 students are lively, they're listening, I know. In that you are telling so many comments you are doing. Very bad actually. You think once yourself, how we are as a attentive is there, then you can comment others. You people are not first behaving properly. Very bad. Okay, come on. No problem. That is, class is for you only. We are here to help you. Can utilize how we are utilizing this. I am available 24/7. Anytime you can call me, I'll help you. Okay. Now start do f of x. Now any one of you tell x square by 2, x cube by 2, apply the limit. Anyway, this fellow become first limit become vanish, second limit only stands. Second limit is what? 2 pi cube by 3. First limit why it's vanished? Can you tell anyone? You I'm very happy. Minus pi to pi, x dx becomes 0. Why? Any one of you tell?
because odd function, sir.
What is the formula?
F of minus x equals to minus f of x.
That is
Odd.
odd. You are defining odd functions. Why it becomes 0? I am telling, asking. We know that where you don't know, always you can mention. We know that integral of minus a2 plus a f of x dx is equal to 0 if f is odd is equal to 2 into 0 integral 0 to a f of x dx if f is what? Even. Correct or not? You studied in plus 2 level or not, or plus 2 or intermediate? Remember or not?
Yes, sir.
The whole integration become vanish when this fellow is odd, provided limit should be same, upper limit and lower limit with minus, upper limit. So this first fellow is odd, blindly I can tell 0. Second fellow is even, 2 into 0 to pi also I can tell. That is the way of thinking. The formula comes only not like always you can utilize. It's 2 pi square by 3. Then an you can do, what is an? X plus x square cos nx. Then I can, this fellow is u. How many times you can differentiate? Then first time if we differentiate, what you will get? First time if we differentiate, what you will get? 1 plus 2x.
1 plus
1.
Second derivative if you do is what? 0 plus 2. Third time what you will get?
0.
Very good. Now you can do this all, you can apply limits after doing integration. But why I am telling here, don't simplify this minus and minus. Now applying the limit is what? This fellow waste, this fellow waste, this fellow alone stands. Apply the limit 4 by n square minus 1 power n. Similarly bn. Bn also same story. If you do bn, this fellow also waste, this fellow also waste, this fellow alone stands. Then you can do. You will get this all you can get. Because single interval, you know what you will do? F of minus pi plus f of pi by 2 is equal to f of pi. RHS value, what you will do? In answer you can substitute it. LHS you can do in question. F of pi plus f of minus pi, what you will do? F of pi is what? Pi plus pi square. F of minus pi is what? Pi square minus pi by 2. Then this is correct. In RHS you can do this. So what you will get? Here what is my Fourier series you see? This is my Fourier series. If I substitute sin n pi become what? Tell? Pi I am substituting. Sin n pi is what?
0.
0. Cos n pi?
Minus
Minus 1 all power n.
Very good. Minus 1 power n into minus 1 power n is how much?
1.
Okay, 1. Now you got 1. Minus 1 to the power of 2n correct or minus 1 to the power of even is 1. So totally where I will stand here, pi square by 3, 4 by n square. My n is running from 1 to infinity. Correct or not? Say yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is, so without seeing, just you can recall what I will get, what I will get, what I will get, what I will get. Then this LHS f of pi is what? Pi plus pi square minus pi plus pi square. Then you can simplify this. This is very, very important. This question also important. I will stop here because this is very, very up to now how my interval is not single interval or double interval.
Single.
Single interval.
How I attacking in LHS what I am doing f of 0 plus f of 2 pi writing or f of pi, f of minus pi I am writing. But single interval. Double interval means I cannot play like this. That is tomorrow I will do double interval. Up here clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is already I have done in my videos. If you want you can see, otherwise that is a wish. I don't want to force you after. This is okay hereafter. Can I teach like this? Videos you are not required, you know. Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Videos also if you want you can go and see videos, otherwise you can leave no force. Then if you want, you can see. So any doubt? This I will do tomorrow. Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Don't leave anyone. Wait 1 minute. You have no class, you know, no lunch hour, I think so. Already coming, you know, the attendance given, you know, when I ask, now don't do, sir. I know time actually. Why they he now only you are giving? No need. Now only entered you are giving. I know.
No, sir, I already give.
Then given means I will check. Don't worry. Time I told you, 11:49 to 52. That time if you are there, I'll do. You can leave.
Okay,
Sir. Okay, man. No problem. Sorry, you can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye. Okay, this is okay.
Thank you, sir.
This is okay. This is the way.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Are you happy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We can say without because I can tell you like a story, but you have to follow me. Nothing required. Within 5 hours, we can complete whole syllabus. The open challenge. Bye bye. Take rest.
Thank you, sir.